I first of all would like to say that I was introduced a lot as with the word beautiful, and it went on to say Sri Lanka and beautiful. But I just want to tell all of you that it has nothing to do with that. When I was young, I never saw myself as that. It never was something that came to my mind. What I did believe as a child was that I had a purpose in life, and I wanted to fulfill that. And whatever I dreamt, or whatever my dreams were, I wanted to make sure that they came true. And I believe that for each and every one of us. So if I was to convey a message to all of you today, is that never ever ever let your dreams go. And because everything is possible. Everything is possible. Just always see the good in people. Always positive. Never ever think negative. There was a time when I was here in India. My first two films didn't do very well, so I had to work. And I was sitting at home for about a year, and I believe India was a place that was not home for me. I had no family here, I had no friends here, but I knew that I was going through a struggle. But at the same time, somehow I felt that if I work hard and if I believed in my goal enough, if I only concentrated on that goal and my dream, every single day, somewhere, I'll get somewhere. And it started with, Murder 2 becoming a hit. Then it went on to House 2, Race 2, and finally, I did a movie with Salman Khan. And I'm telling you, that was something that it did shock me, but because for me it was the ultimate dream to be able to work with him. But at the same time, in the back of my head, I always knew that if I believed hard enough and I worked towards it, something would happen. So I just want to tell all of you that you're all here today. You're part of a very, very prestigious institution, which is the University of Mumbai. So be very grateful to that. Work extremely hard, know what your goals and how you are, set them out. If you make mistakes, it's fine. Never focus on them. Always focus on your positives. And you'll go on to become anything you ever dreamed of. So I wish you all the best. Thank you again so much for having me here.
खत्म करो उसको गर्म बस बस खाली बाबा
Thank you so much. So that was Jacqueline Fernandez. Whenever I've seen her on the screen in different functions,
बस करो यार
This is a research volume compiled by Dr. Vivek Devlankar. Professor Vivek Devlankar's book is titled Leadership in Management of Global Business. It is published by Commonwealth Publishers, New Delhi in the year 2016. Please give a round of applause for Dr. Vivek Devlankar, and thank you, Jacqueline, for releasing this very prestigious book. We welcome on stage Dr. Vijay Raghavan, Director of Pillai's Institute.
Jacqueline's childhood friend. May I request Gaurav to please come in the front and accept a bouquet on behalf of the University of Mumbai from VR Media. May I request Devlankar sir to kindly felicitate Gaurav with a bouquet.
I request Dr. Deepak Vaikar to please come up on stage. Friends, he's been a very patient chief guest and I think we have to give him a round of applause. He's come all the way from Singapore for inaugurating our conference and we are going to give him some time to actually do it formally. I request Ms. Jacqueline Fernandez to please felicitate the chief guest of our conference. He is Honorable Dr. Deepak Vaikar. He is the Vice President, International Energy Foundation, Regional HQ, Asia Pacific, Singapore. Deepak sir is very kind and he has flown from Singapore last evening. Friends, a round of applause for Deepak Vaikar sir. Thank you.
So, Pragya Chandrakar from the Pillai Institute of Management Studies, she has received the President of India, Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma Gold Medal. So, may I request Jacqueline Madam to kindly felicitate her with this university. Thank you so much, Jacqueline, for being so sweet, so patient and being with us all the time. So, अभी हम मैडम को यहाँ से free करें या we don't want them to go, right? We don't want them to go. We want them to stay back with us.
Guys, green ऊपर ले सेंटर में रख सेंटर लो
I actually I came to the university today, the University of Mumbai, to felicitate the awardees and their achievements and all the amazing work that they've been doing. And end me actually award mili, and I was like, okay, but it was the function was so beautiful, and the way they presented the award and the actual award that I received was very prestigious. So I have to thank the Mumbai University for believing in me so much and for giving me such a valuable award.
Okay. So और यहाँ पे पागल हो गए थे, पीछे से आवाज आ रही थी I love you Jacqueline.
Oh really? अभी actually नहीं सुना.
याद आ गया जब आप वहाँ पे बैठा थे.
Actually university वापस जाना चाहिए.
Jacqueline, coming from a country like Sri Lanka and you are receiving an award like Citizen par Excellence from such recognized university, how does it feel?
That's the thing. I feel that I've been so blessed because I came from a foreign country, and that's I think like the beauty of India, that they're very accepting and they're very welcoming. So now I pretty much with the culture, with the language, with the people, I'm feeling very much at home, and that wouldn't have been made possible if they weren't such friendly, welcoming, accepting people.
And while studying, how many awards Jacqueline has won in university? Like when
I won a scholarship at the University of Sydney. So I was a very studious student, but I want to go back to studying very soon.
Jacqueline, what's going on in Bollywood?
Next projects in pipeline?
We just finished shooting for Houseful 3, so that will be releasing. That's the first release of the year, and that will be releasing in June. And then straight after that, July, we have Dishoom, then we have Flying Jet, and we start working on Bang Bang 2.
And there are talks about Kick 2 as well. So will we see you over there as well?
Let's see what the casting will be. Okay, thank you.